Had a zoom on this thing. So he's got a mouse right there for dinner.
Turn off.
I do have a zoom on the camera, but not the movie camera. Brody, can you get down there with this and get a better shot?
I would, if I was allowed to.
He's tearing it up, isn't he? That's interesting.
That looks like a mouse. It is.
It is a mouse. Sexually bred for these guys. They had several of them over there. And he's eating the fish. Over here, he's got the fish. Oh, wow, look at that.
He's got a yellow head.
Yeah. Wow. Look how bright his colors are.
The mouse is dead in the water. Can I say that? This is my nose look red. Now I just
Guess you didn't like that mouse, huh? Wonder why you didn't eat that one.
Yeah, but you have a ton over there.
Yeah, look at them. It'd be interesting to know what they're doing.
Can I be the cook while Mommy's gone from now on?
Yeah.
No. Thank you. I am fixing my meal. Dad, do you know why their feet are so big? I learned about this.
What?
Their feet are so big so they can actually walk across lily pads laying on the water on top of the water.
These guys can?
Yeah, because their feet are so big.